Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple Pay Later on your iPhone. And this basically means that you can pay later with little installments. But this is only for the purchases online. As you can see, it's written right here that it has to be online, and it's from $50 to $1,000, which can be used for online and in-app purchases made on iPhone and iPad Americans. So basically, you need to buy it online or in-app, in Apple Store, for example, to use this. But this basically means that when you will pay in these situations, you basically so let's go to our wallet. And now when you will pay, so let's, for example, first of all, you need to add a debit card here. So first of all, add a debit, not a credit card, to use this. And after this, you basically, when you click 2 times, and basically you want to hold near a reader, the notification will pop up that you can choose pay later or pay now. And that's it. That's basically how you do this. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.